Today we are talking about 1.6a and most specifically complementary or supplementary angles. So complementary and supplementary. Complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. So complementary angles have a sum, or they add up to 90 degrees. So they are two angles that add up to 90 degrees, and supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. Okay, if you remember, complement 90 degrees is a right angle, okay? So they add up to make a right angle, complementary, whereas supplementary, they add up to make a straight line, or 180 degrees. The best way that I have remembered this is that C comes before S, so C has to be smaller, so C is 90 degrees. S comes after C, so S has to be bigger. S has to be 180 degrees. Now let's talk about adjacent and non-adjacent. Adjacent just means next to each other, right? So adjacent means they have to be touching. They have to be, basically they have to be next to one another. It's kind of like, so if I draw these two angles, angle A and B, these are adjacent. This is adjacent. However, if I draw this, just like this, and this is A and B, this would not be adjacent. This is not adjacent. Even though they're touching at the ends, they are not adjacent. Okay. Non-adjacent is just what that is. Non-adjacent is that they are not next, they do not share one side. Right? So non-adjacent, this here that I just drew would actually be considered non-adjacent. So let's redraw that a bit here. So if we had angles like this, and this was A, and this is B, so this is adjacent here. This, however, would be considered non-adjacent, meaning they do not share one side. So they have to be touched, but adjacent is they have to share one ray, whereas non-adjacent, they have their own individual rays. Okay, so let's do some examples. Right? So let's say we have two sets of complementary angles. Right? We have two sets of complementary angles, and one of them is 47 degrees. Say measure of angle A equals 47 degrees. Well, just to find the other one, right? Let's say we want to find measure of angle B. What is that? What we would do is, since we know complementary have to add up to 90 degrees, we take 90 degrees minus 47 degrees to find the measure of angle B, which would give us 43 degrees. And our answer would be 43 degrees. The same thing goes with supplementary. Supplementary, let's try something different with supplementary. Let's say same thing with supplementary. Let's say angle C, right? Measure of angle C in a supplementary. One of them is only 10 degrees. However, since we know supplementary and we want to find the measure of angle D, we know supplementary have to add up to 180 degrees. So we know that measure of angle D must equal 180 degrees minus 10 degrees, which then would give, that would make measure of angle D pretty large. It would be 170 degrees. Okay. One last example here. What if we were given variables, right? Let's say we have a right angle. This is a right angle. And here, one angle is, let's say, 3x plus 4. This, I'll call this A, B, C, and D. And the other one is 2x minus 14. And they want us to find the measure of angle ADC. Well, the measure of angle ADC, we know, is the right angle. So we know that the two have to add up. They're complementary angles. They have to add up to equal 90 degrees. So what we do is we just add the two parts, 3x plus 4 plus 2x minus 14. It must equal 90 degrees. Okay. So now, first step is we combine like terms. Combine like terms. So we have 5x minus 10 must equal 90 degrees. I want to isolate my x, so I'm going to add 10 to both sides. Let me erase this equal. So 10 to both sides. So we have then 5x equals 100. Divide by 5. X should then equal what? 100 divided by 5 should be 20 degrees. So x, or if we want to just find what x is, x equals 20. If we want to find what the other angles are, we just take the 20 and we plug them in to our x. So let's say measure of angle ADB, remember x is 20, equals 3x plus 4. Put in 20 to there, so that's 20 plus 4. 3 times 20 is 60 plus 4. This is 64 degrees. So measure angle ADB. And let's do DBC, right? Measure angle BDC must then equal, this is ADB, must equal 2x minus 14. I'm going to plug in my 20. 2 times 20 degrees minus 14. 2 times 20 is 40 minus 14. 40 minus 14 is 26. And this makes sense, right? 64 and 26. If you add 64 plus 26, that makes 90 degrees. And they would be complementary. And that is complementary and supplementary in a nutshell.